Tracy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about my video today because it has been a long time coming. I've been wanting to do this for months now and today is the day. I am going to dye my hair back black. I'm super excited because this dingy brown has got to go. I'm over it. It was cute in the beginning, but every time I wash it, it gets more and more dingy. And one thing I've noticed is that when your hair is like a dingy, dull color like this, it really makes your frizz show up a lot more. It doesn't look as healthy as it really is. It's a recipe for disaster. So I decided, you know what, let me stop being lazy. It doesn't take that long and it's hella cheap. So let me go ahead and dye my hair black like I've been wanting to. So I went to my local Sally's and I picked up the Dark and Lovely natural black. It was only $5, super cheap. So I'm really excited to put this in my hair, see if we can maybe pop them curls a little bit more, give me some shine back, and see how that helps my curls to look better. You are loud. You want to be in the video? Okay. Here's my son. In the background is screaming and screaming. This is little Elias. Say hi, Elias, over there. So if you hear screaming in the background, it's just him. He just learned how to scream, and he does it constantly. Don't you? But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and try this out, and we shall see what happens. Hopefully, all this mess looks better. So keep on watching, and we shall see what happens. Okay. So I washed and deep conditioned my hair last night. I just always like to make sure that it's nice, clean, and as healthy as can be before you start dyeing it because, I mean, even though I'm not going lighter, it's still not, you know, the best to dye. So the most important thing about trying to dye thick hair is going to be to section it into 4 sections because if you just try and do it right now, it's not going to get in there like it needs to. But as you can see, you see the dinge? Like, it's just dingy and dull. And it really takes away a lot of the life. Because if you saw my hair in person, I mean, it looks so, it just makes it look like it's not healthy. And it's healthy, I promise. If you're dyeing your hair dark like this, always use the gloves because it will get under your nails and it just looks so nasty and it lasts for so long. So just make sure you always wear the gloves. It's a good idea, trust me. All it comes with is the fade resistant rich hair color, the cream developer, and the moisture rich conditioner, which, oh my gosh, I wish they sold this, or maybe they do, but like I wish they have this like by itself because every time I use this stuff, it makes my hair so soft and it smells so good. I love their moisture rich conditioner. But anyways, all you gotta do is just pour this into this bottle. Make sure you have your gloves on when you do it. Shake, 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 so we get it nice and mixed up. Okay, I had just enough to get all of my hair, as you can see. So now I'm going to set my timer. It says set it for 20 to 30 minutes. It took me a really long time to put this in the first place. So I'm just gonna do it for 25 minutes and then we'll see what it's looking like. Okay, so time for the final results. Okay, so final results are all done. I love it. Came out how I wanted it to come out. So I'm really excited. So my next video, I'm thinking about doing either a twist out, a braid out, or a wash and go. Just let me know down in the comments which one you are more interested to see. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means the world to me. Just letting me know that you like what I put out. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of video you would like to see me do next. And that is going to be all that I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. And I will see you in my next video, okay? Peace.